Winter has officially started, and the Ohio Department of Insurance is urging Ohioans to winterize their property and secure adequate insurance. Ensuring that you are properly protected now can help minimize potentially costly repairs later due to our harsh winter weather. So, the Ohio Department of Insurance has provided a checklist of steps to take before real winter weather hits. Review your insurance protections and coverage amounts. Most property policies generally cover structures and contents damaged by wind, ice, water, but not flooding, which typically requires the purchase of a separate flood insurance policy, and burst pipes. Damage to the roof, gutters, siding, and windows, such as from ice damming or collapse from the weight of snow, is also generally covered. Evaluate your personal possessions coverage options. If you have a loss, actual cash value coverage pays the item's value the day of destruction. Replacement cost coverage pays the value of a comparable item at the current market price. Renters, you should consider a renter's insurance policy to protect your possessions. Review your coverage for after-the-fact expenses. Determine if your policy pays for such things as fire department charges, temporary repairs, debris removal, trees and shrubs, personal property storage, and certain living expenses. Complete a home inventory. List your possessions with photos and values. It will help you secure adequate insurance protection and assist you with filing a claim. You can download the free National Association of Insurance Commissioners Home Inventory app, print a home inventory checklist at insurance.ohio.gov, or you can watch our quick video on how to create a digital home inventory list. You can find that video right here on our YouTube channel. Winterize your home. Clean debris from gutters and downspouts and address any missing shingles and overhanging tree limbs. Inspect the underside of the roof from the attic for signs of leaks. Protect against any frozen and burst water pipes by maintaining adequate heat in your home. And be sure to insulate any exposed pipes with foam insulating sleeves at minimum. Don't be left out in the cold this winter. Take these simple but effective steps to help ensure that you stay protected all season. Hey there, thanks for watching our video. We hope that you found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video that we upload.